Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do in this video is share with you a mega NFT opportunity. So I don't know if that's going to be the title or not, but guys, smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below. Do you own one of these NFTs? So of course we're going to be talking about the Cornucopias Land NFTs. So for those of you that don't know, I attended Rare Evo and I got to play the game. So I put out a couple of YouTube shorts. This is Rob Gregg, one of the co-founders of COPI. He even walked me through the game. So shout out to Rob the Fox. Time to get loose, baby. So look, this game is outstanding. Okay, so the team's incredible. They're transparent. It's just underrated in my opinion. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, by the way. But let me share with you the opportunity. It's going to be these land claims, okay? So guys, land, in my opinion, is just, I didn't realize at the time, but there's not a lot of claimable land. For how big the game is, there are not enough of these land NFTs. So I wish I could explain it better, but basically when you, here, let's type in Cornucopias. So take a look at Cornucopias. Guys, to get an idea of how big the size of this game is, guys, it's unbelievable. So you walk through, okay, and you hit your scanner tool and the thing comes up. And guys, like, there is not enough land like that you can claim. Like, there is a mega opportunity here to snatch up some land, and that's just my opinion. I got to play the game, and I think at these prices, like, once people start playing the game, it's going to be too late. So these small land plots are incredible. Mediums look like they're a good deal. In fact, I picked up two with this wallet. So let me share with you that. Yeah, I paid $270 for two mediums. Guys, I think this is the steal of the year. These are the NFTs to get. If you guys can get a large or an epic, that would, or a copious, my God, guys, the sizes of the land is huge. So it's just my opinion that I think these are the NFTs to get. So when that becomes available, you're going to want to have some land. I just think a lot of people are going to be like, man, I missed out on the land. So between that, you also have the file node NFTs. I did a video. So guys, subscribe to the channel. These, I'll have the latest COPI videos right up here. You guys can go and type in COPI as well. So if you guys want, right now, let's take a look at the market. We're at a $2.26 trillion market cap. Guys, once ADA goes back up and COPI starts moving, it's going to be insane. It's going to be insane. People are already swooping up these file node NFTs, and I think land will be next. So guys, check out the link tree. I'm going to be updating more links to help you guys out here. Save 10% off your Tangent, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Comment down below. Do you own any land?